Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the My Blocks tab in Scratch. Um, First, let me just trying to get rid of all of this. Okay then. Now the thing that what My Block says is that you can make a block to do whatever you want. Like for example, if I want to block that, instead of waiting every few seconds, wait blah minutes, I can do it like this. Wait, add an input number or text, number of minutes, minutes. Okay, so let's start with how to use the define thing. Define a wait number of minutes. You can put blocks down here, and then whenever you use that block, it, those blocks, the blocks under the define thing will run. So so like that. Okay, so then the the input number or text, you can use it by grabbing it from over here and putting it in wherever you want. Like now, if I want to wait uh, 0.1 minutes, I'll have to wait 6 seconds because that's math. I had to say hello for 2 seconds. I'm not going to waste a minute talking. I'm not going to waste a minute just waiting. And how the Boolean thing works is basically the same, but instead of being the number, the the circle one is the hexagonal one. So now, uh, um, Boolean experiment and touching mouse pointer. No, uh, touching Bob. Hello, because the Boolean is the touching Bob, and if the Boolean then say hello. They're like uh, they're like variables, and you can set what they are on here. Then the label one is for is for after adding an input, you can add a label and keep saying stuff like, and then the block will be called label hello, label hello. Uh, hmm, uh, and then I can use label like this. Ta-da! Okay, and then there's run without screen refresh, which what it does is that uh, if I wanted to let me think of an idea like this. Repeat until touching edge, change y by -10. Repeat until not touching edge, change y by 1. If I do that, if I do that, if I do that with screen refresh, then it will do that. But if I do it without screen refresh, then it will do that. And this is something that platformers often use. Bomb, bomb. Yeah. Hmm. Scratch tip for today. Uh, I have no idea what the scratch tip should be for today. Oh, in File, if you press New, you will make a new project, which makes me now have 197 projects, the number of countries in the world. But now I'll delete it. So I went back to having the 196. Okay, now uh, the the other things in File are save now. It will just save it, save as a copy, which makes a copy. Load from your computer and save to your computer. Save to your computer, uh, downloads it, and load from your computer. You can load it from your computer. Yeah. And the define blocks are the same as any other block. You can add comments to them, delete them, although you first have to delete all the uses of the block. Like if I do this and now try to delete it, I can. Ta-da! And you can also edit them to go back to here. And if you accidentally added in something that you don't want, you can delete it like this. Bye! Tomorrow I'll show you guys the main page, then there will be the community, the extensions, and finally useful block combinations. Bye!